I have rabbits laid in my nesting boxes for my chickens. I think there's 9 of them. And these survived here with that negative 18 degree actual. I don't know what the wind chill temp was, but so these guys are troopers. Got another all black one. Kind of like the all black ones for some reason. These are, I think they're Harlequin, possibly either New Zealand or California mix. But I'm getting some, like this one's, I mean, it's not full Harlequin, but the type colors. This is the Magpie Harlequin. And I don't know where the brown and the black's coming from. And then today, I had this over here. Like somebody tried to make them nest, but they didn't lay any. Or I don't know, I say lay because it's chickens, but they didn't have any babies. But these are all the from the rabbits that are running around in my chickens. And during the day, it's mainly chickens out here. See, them are the Harlequin rabbits. All right, come on, doll. Come on. But at night, it's like all the chickens, are roosting, so it's just pure rabbits out here. And then during the day, it seems like, I mean, you still see the rabbits, but they're not quite as active. Thor, he's a little shithead. He'll attack you. He got me earlier today. See, he got me right. And that other mark there is from him too, but he got me in the forehead once. But I just play the game of I'm not scared of him, and usually that works for a couple days. It's kind of nice though, because he'll protect the hens, which is what this brush pile here is for, so that if there's a hawk or something, they chickens have some way to get away, hide. Oh, I just saw an egg. That's why I'm not getting them. I don't know how old it is. Holy cow, it's still warm. She just laid, it must be. It's really warm. There's another one down here. Yeah, I haven't had any eggs in a couple days. This one's cold and frozen. So, just let them eat it. I had to, see, this is where the rabbits were originally, on this side of the fence. And then there was a hole here under the fence I made, and they were getting through there. And then it filled up with that water and ice, and I noticed there were some rabbits over here that got trapped and they weren't able to eat because I started feeding everything over on this side. So I got this little opening here for them to go back and forth now. Hey Thor, Rooster's Thor. He's the only one with a real name. I cleaned out the cage under the cages of the rabbits I got in my little tent thing, which are actually the breeders. And that's what all this is. The chickens are just pecking through it. Thor, don't attack me. I'm your friend. You look like you're gonna attack me, but I'm not scared. Hey, Belle, we gotta go out. Come on. I'll show you the other rabbits. Come on, Belle. Belle, come. No, come. Come. Belle. Hey. Good girl. These are actually the breeders I got now. These are the bucks. And they actually will inbreed because the ones that I did have got killed by that dog. And these two females, does, and that's the other doe. And they're pretty easy to take care of when they're in the cage. Actually, both. I don't know what's better. But in the winter, anyways, I just come out. I got these nipples here that'll attach to pop bottles. So I'm using the 1 liter brisk bottle. And then these are the actual whole bottle. With them nipples here, with same thing. But I got 6 of them, or actually I got more, but and I just been swapping them out once a day, or twice a day. I do it in the morning, then when I get home from work, because the water freezes, and it's pretty easy to do. And then I had that one video where I had the nipples, but I did that last year because I had like nine different cages I think were in here. But I'm doing things differently this year with the rabbits running around with the chickens. And then with that, with the chicken water, I just got one of these. It's a de-icer, and I think it comes on at like 40 degrees or something. It don't run non-stop, so it doesn't like heat the water, but it just keeps it warm enough from freezing. So that's basically my setup right now. I'm sorry for the shivering, it's cold outside.